Crypto market faces weak demand, needs Trump initiatives to kick in, says JP Morgan. Trump crypto push leaves the world no choice but to embrace digital assets. Hi guys, welcome to Crypto B101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. And on this show, we always talk about the latest news that are making the waves, like the Trump crypto leaves the world no choice but to embrace digital asset. Also, on this same news, we're still going to talk about the economic calendar to know what is going on in the market. We're going to take a look at the chart analysis. Also, we are going to look at the event of the day, the cryptocurrency market cap, and at the end of the day, we'll take a look at the sentiment, what the market looks like. So these are more what we are going to be looking out on the show. And if you're just joining me, this is a great place where you get value for whatever you want to do. So before we move forward, let's dive into what it's gonna happen today. You can look on the chart right now. BTC is trading at 98,253. If you watched my show yesterday, I told you Bitcoin is still a buy and the stop loss to remain at the same spot. But we're not going to go into the charts right now. We're going to come back to that later. First of all, let us take a look at more news on the radar. So let's take a look at more news on the radar. Why we see what BTC is doing, and if you remember last week or last 2 weeks, I told you you can buy BTC, and we are still within that range. So for like 2 weeks now or so, nothing has happened. All right, let's take the news. Will markets move when 2 billion crypto options expires today? That is what we need to ask ourselves. Is the market going to move if buying and waiting to pay up the balance in the future? So some might buy at the end of the day and some might sell and say no, they do not want it. So we're going to see if that is going to happen today, if the market is going to move significantly or not. I think my system is a little bit slow this morning, but just bear with me, it's going to load shortly. So, but talking about options, will the market create move by that time? So we're going to see what will happen with that. So let's see, another news on the radar is coming up, then we're going to talk about that shortly. It's hanging. All right, another news on my radar is Bitcoin hash rate growth slows amid tough market condition for slower miner. So Bitcoin hash, the latest miner mag report shows a slowdown in Bitcoin hash hash rate growth amid shifting condition market. And we just read it now that everyone would like to embrace Bitcoin because of the policy Donald Trump is bringing into the space. And as we all know, when he was inaugurated, he said he wants United States of America to be the crypto capital of the world. And I believe a lot of people are looking into that, because you can see Brazil yesterday are now going to launch the first ETF spot XRP spot ETF in Brazil. And we all know El Salvador keeps buying, and I'm still going to show you someone that never got tired of buying all the time. All right, let's take a look at more news on the radar. I'm sorry, the system is a little bit slow today, and it's causing all these delays. All right, another news on the radar, and this is top angel investors expect strategies Bitcoin bets to fail. Top traders, investors expect strategy Bitcoin bets to fail. And speaking of that, we now know that strategy has even acquired more, or is looking for loan to acquire more Bitcoin. We all know Michael Saylor is not stopping anytime soon. I don't think Michael Saylor is stopping anytime soon. And you can see strategy is raising another 2 billion US dollars to buy Bitcoin. Strategy is raising another 2 billion US dollars to buy Bitcoin. Even though he paused for some time, Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, revealed plans to purchase more Bitcoin by selling 2 billion in zero coupon convertible bonds. This move is part of its larger 21 plan to raise 42 billion for Bitcoin investment, reflecting its deepening commitment to cryptocurrency. That is great news. And you can see another news on the radar, and this one is Libra traders have lost 251 million US dollars on Solana meme coin. And we know we talk about this Libra, why the Argentina president was linked to allegedly, and he's going to face the Department of Justice and probably get impeached. We still don't know what that will bring, but we can see that the Libra coin, the Libra meme coin, once touted as a funding solution for Argentina, has resulted in significant loss for holders, with 11 million in unrealized losses remaining. And Nassen's analysis revealed that while some wallet profitable, the majority experienced losses, impacting the broader cryptocurrency industry perception. So this is another news, and this is what we need to look at. So another news on the radar, and this one is Grayscale XRP ETF filing hits federal register. I've been holding Pi token for so long. I remember when it first come out, you mine for free and you start getting some token, but when it's even launched, it lost about 60% of its token. So we're gonna see how that goes with Pi. Now let's take a look at another news, still talking about Pi network. A lot of people believe in the project, and that's why a lot of people, or some people, have been holding on to the Pi network token. It was launched, but over 60% crash. All right, let's take a look at another news. And before that one comes on, you can see there are definitely liquidity concern, as 2% market depth on OKX fails to reach 100,000 US dollars. All right, guys, let's take a look at another cryptocurrency news. Bring up the next news. Okay, now it's on, and you can see the next one is crypto market faces weak demand and need Trump to do what? To Trump initiative to kick in, JP Morgan says. All right, let's now take a look at some meme coins, and to be surprised, I found out that Kanye West is launching his token. After I say he's not going to do it, I don't know what is going on, but we're going to see about that shortly. But before we go there, let's take a look at altcoins, and this is what altcoins has to say. And we see Ethereum breakthrough is coming. Why first Solana comeback golden cross happen soon, and Shiba Inu golden cross happen soon. All right, now let's talk about Ye. And if you look at my board right at the screen right now, Ye is trying to launch his own token after he says, or he went on Twitter ranting and saying people using it are using it to prey on their fans. But now he has come out to say he's going to launch his own YZY. All right, let's take a look at another news, and this one is crucial Bitcoin warnings issued. Another news on the radar, and this one is coming from Singapore. Sorry, it's still loading. Yeah, it's on. This one is coming from Singapore, and Singapore women sentenced to jail for defrauding ByBit for 4.2 million US dollars. All right, that's what I have for you on the news today. Let's now dive into the economic calendar to know what is going on. And if you look at the chart right now, we do not really have a lot of things to overlook. We have important news to come out at 1:30 GMT UTC. Core retail sales at 2:45 GMT UTC. We have the flash manufacturing PMI and Governor Meklam speaks at 5:30 p.m. GMT. So we have a lot of important news today. So you might see the market moving up and down. And with that being said, BTC lost over 365 million US dollar. And is the bull run cancelled? We do not know yet. Now let's check what the cryptocurrency market looks like with that amount being said. And if you look at the cryptocurrency, we are still sitting at 3.3 trillion, and you can see the trading coin, the top gainers, and less than 1 billion traded in the last 24 hours, and the top 20 still remain BTC at number 1, Ethereum at number 2, XRP at number 3, Theta at number 4, BNB at number 5, Solana at number 6, USDC at number 7, Dogecoin at number 8, Cardano at number 9, Lido Stake at number 10, Tron number 11, Wrap BTC at number 12, Chainlink at number 11, at number 13, Wrap ETH 14, Stellar 15, Sui 16, Avalanche 17, and Litecoin sitting at number 18, Edera at number 19, and Shiba Inu still maintaining top 20, sitting at number 20. So those are the cryptocurrency market cap. Now we're going to dive into the chart analysis right now to know what the chart is looking at. And if you look at my screen right now, BTC is still a buy, Bitcoin is still a buy, stop loss still at the same spot. Let's take a look at ETH. Ethereum is still a buy, stop loss at the same spot, but we can move the stop loss right here now. Let's take a look at Sui. Sui too is a buy. Now we need to move the stop loss right there at $3. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP is not a buy here. We're waiting for it to break 2.75. Let's take a look at AVAX. AVAX is a buy. Stop loss still at the same spot. Let's take a look at AAV. AAV is a buy as well. Stop loss at the no. We can adjust the stop loss now to 250. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana is now a buy. Then stop loss will be right there. Yeah, Solana is now a buy. Stop loss will be right there. Let's take a look at ADA. ADA is a buy. Stop loss still at the same spot. Toncoin is almost a buy. We're waiting for it to cross 3.6, and our stop loss will be at 3.4. Now that's what we have on Bitcoin and altcoin. Let's take a look at memecoin. If you look at memecoin, yesterday I told you Dogecoin is a buy. It's still a buy. Stop loss at the same spot. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a buy. It's a buy. Stop loss at the same spot. Let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe is a buy. Stop loss at the same spot. Ondo is a buy. Stop loss can now be moved down to $1.2. Let's take a look at X. X is now activating a buy. Stop loss at the same spot. Let's take a look at Notcoin. Notcoin is a buy. Stop loss at the same spot. Let's take a look at Dog. Yeah, Dog is now a buy now, but stop loss still remain down here at 0.0015. Let's take a look at Nero. Nero 2 is now a buy. Stop loss at the same spot. Deep is the buy now. Stop loss at the same spot. Popcat is okay. Popcat is a buy now. Yes, let's now put Popcat. The Popcat is a buy now, but stop loss is down there at 0.20. Let's take a look at Trump coin. You know, yesterday I told you Trump coin is a buy. It's still a buy. Stop loss at $14. Let's take a look at Millennia coin. Millennia coin is now a buy. Millennia coin is now a buy, and stop loss will be down here at $1.8. All right, that's what I have for you on the chart analysis. Remember, this is no financial advice. This is just for education and entertainment purpose. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in any token, and make sure you trade with the amount of money you can afford to lose. But with my years of experience in the game, I've always been able to make the prediction right with more than 90 to 95%. But trade with the money you can afford to lose, and do your own research. Don't let anyone lure you into any project. All right, now let's take a look at what the fear and greed looks like today. And if you look at the fear and greed, you see that we are sitting on neutral yesterday, greed right now, neutral last week, and extreme greed last month. All right, guys, that's what I have for you on the show today. Sorry for the glitches in and out. I hope you really enjoyed the show for today. I'll catch you on Monday or tomorrow, possibly, to meet up for the one we miss, so we can discuss more on this token and everything we're holding on to. Thanks for watching the show. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please, you might want to do that. Subscribe, like, and share. Do not forget to turn your notification bell so you can get all the juicy content. Also, you can follow me on X, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok to get all the nuggets I have for you on this great platform. All right, my name still remains the same. Ahmed Olad Magic Kazim, aka KC the Great, and thanks for watching the show. And this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Peace out.